Lindsay started feeding them food on the counter. So anytime you walk in the kitchen now, he jumps all the way up there. There's Kiara and Pluto. Babies. Big loud babies. Pluto. Oh my goodness! Look at those ears. Wow. Hold
on, let me see. I'm making a YouTube channel. Can you put it up, please?
No, I'm not doing that.
I'm not tall enough.
You're not doing that anyway. Do it later.
I got a good view of them. And I'll show you some of my other animals. Yeah, we got all the usual stuff: snakes, lizards. But if you go into my room, literally, I have another red-bone coonhound. Look, that's me. Hi, Minnie. How you such a good girl? And then here I have my lizard, the king of the mountain. And yeah, got my PS4 so I can play some Fortnite. I will upload some Fortnite videos, so stay tuned for that. I will see you all guys later. Goodbye.